we have some breaking news about one of the biggest, if not the biggest, launch of this year, which is going to be Pump.Fun token presale. Gate.io, which is really popular centralized exchange, actually kind of leaked the presale page. And now finally we have the exact date of the presale, the token price, the total supply. That's why in today's video I'm going to talk about the presale. Should you participate? Should you wait? And I will also show you one extra trick, how to make money with this token, even if the token price will be dropping. And I believe it will be. So first of all, we have this article, Gate.io, as I mentioned, a big centralized exchange, removed pre-market Pump.Fun trading tokens after talking with the project. And I think this happened because Gate.io accidentally leaked the pre-sale. So you can see if you click actually on my x.com, you can find the link in the description. I post lots of different updates. If you open my post, you will see the pre-sale page, and it's launching on July 12th, and it will last for 4 days. Next up, you can see the token price is going to be 0.004. The total supply is going to be 1 trillion tokens, and 15%, which is 100 billion tokens, will be for sale for public, meaning this leaves 85% for the VCs, for the private investors, and probably for the team. And the team is planning to raise $600 million. Crazy number because, of course, the markets right now are not doing as good. Yes, Bitcoin is performing good. Some bigger assets are. But if you're talking about the meme coins, I would say Pump.Fun is right now at a huge decline, because if you jump in back to the article, you can see Pump.Fun tokens are not performing as well. They're getting less traction and the platform is earning less fees. In my opinion, this could be the last chance for the Pump.Fun team to actually extract maximum amount of money from the trenches, from the retail investors, using the popularity of their platform and their name, because these tokens actually have zero utility. Because if we jump in back to the pre-sale page, you can see what will these tokens do, and actually not much. From what I see right now, this token will have zero impact on any of the Pump.Fun products, because you will continue to use them for free. So in my opinion, this is a really stupid project, stupid pre-sale, and people will lose money. But there is one way how to make money with this project, and actually it comes from Gordon, which is a really big Twitter page. He plans to make $1 million by shorting this token. In my opinion, this could be a good strategy, because if they manage to raise something around $600 million, who is buying after? There's going to be really lots of selling pressure, and this means the token will go down. And this is where the shorting opportunity comes. But of course, you need to know how to do it. And I think the best platform to actually short these tokens will be MEXC exchange, because they're super quick with these tokens. They're super quick to actually add tokens and futures, and this will allow you to short these tokens. So if you want to use this platform, you can find the link in the description. They also offer $8,000 sign-up bonus. Again, I'm not promoting the platform. I'm just using this platform to short these tokens, because MEXC, they're super quick with these degen tokens. And lastly, guys, if you want to still make money with the meme coins, it's getting really hard. That's why I have my meme money course. This is a promo. You can find the link in the description, where I teach you how to actually spot great meme coins, how to buy them, how to sell them, the market psychology, and of course, how to make money with meme coins long term using strategy. Not hype, but actual strategy, psychology, and buying at the right time. And of course, selling also at the right time. And of course, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because the next video is going to be about the Trump token, which is also launching really soon. And I actually believe that token has big potential. See you next time.